Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to factory reset the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Let's get started. First, go to Settings app. In here, scroll all the way down and tap on About Phone. Inside here, scroll down again and tap on the option Reset. Now on this page, you will see few reset options like reset all settings, reset mobile network, reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, and reset accessibility settings. These do not factory reset the phone. What you need to look for is the option called factory data reset, which is right here. Tap on that. What you need to note here is when you factory reset your phone, all your data, your apps, emails, photos, and personal information will be completely removed from this device. If you have any important information that you need later, just make sure to take a backup of that. So if you're sure to continue, just tap reset and enter the PIN number or the password here. And here again, you'll be reminded that everything will be erased and can't be recovered. If you're sure, just go ahead and proceed to tap delete all. So here you need to confirm your verification number for your Samsung account. Just make sure you have access to this number so you can sign in later using the verification code. So in case if you don't have access to this number, you'll be locked out of the account and you'll not be able to access it. So just tap confirm to proceed. You also need to provide your Samsung account password here in order to verify it's you. So now your phone will shut down and begin the reset process. It usually takes about a couple of minutes to complete. My one took less than a minute, probably because it didn't have much data in it. So once it is all done, all your data has been erased and you will be back on the welcome screen. It's now like a brand new phone and you can set it up again just by tapping start. So that's all for this video guys. Factory reset process on Samsung is very straightforward. So thank you very much for watching this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, please drop a comment below and subscribe to my channel. I'll catch you in the next one.